Hi there, this is Yvonne DeCellis from YDCtv. It is Monday and it is April 15th and I have to go downtown to get another tea pass. Just want to get a video of this tree really quickly. It's finally spring and there's finally pretty little flowers showing up on a few of these trees. Hope you can see this. This is a really pretty one. There's a couple of trees on this street like this one. I'm actually on my way to the tree park right now. I have to walk through it to get to the train. I have to go to downtown because I realized as I went to my mom's this weekend, I don't know how the heck it happened. I just got a brand new tea pass. They're called Charlie cards here in Boston. I just got a new one. I just went and did this like a week ago or maybe 2 weeks ago, and my pass just disappeared. I'm so irritated that I have to go back and do this all over again. So I have to go back to Downtown Crossing, where our transit system is, and get a new TAP card for anyone who lives in Massachusetts. If you live in Massachusetts and you have a Medicare card, that entitles you to something called a TAP card. TAP stands for Transportation Access Pass, and the nice thing is if you have a Medicare card and you have a TAP card, it's like 50% off on using the T. It's really expensive to use the T here now. The T, again, transit system. Very, very expensive. It used to be so much cheaper. When I lived here a long time ago, it used to be something like 60 cents to use the train, and now it's like $2.50 or something like that. But anyway, here's the tree park. As you can see, a lot of the trees don't have leaves yet, but this place still looks really nice. And in about a week or so, there should be leaves here, and I can't wait. I'm so glad winter's finally over. I really shouldn't complain because it wasn't a bad winter, knock on wood. It was not a bad winter this year. We had barely any snowfall at all here, which is actually pretty incredible and a little scary too. I guess this winter was brought to us by climate change. But anyway, I'm going to get off the phone. I don't want to get into anything political because I don't want to make enemies over something like that. So not going to get into politics, not going to discuss it. That's not what this channel's for. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that the tree park's finally starting to bloom again. But I also just wanted to make a video so I could put something on my channel for you guys. So anyway, I'll see you again soon. As always, namaste, peace and light, and thank you for coming to visit. I will be back soon. As always too, please, if you have anything you would like me to do an energy healing video about, and when I say anything, I mean like an ailment or something that you would like me to go over, please just leave a comment down below and I will research it, and then I will do an energy exercise for it if there is one available. Anyway, as always, thanks again. One more look at the tree park. I can't wait to see leaves here, but I'm starting to see them now, so I'm pretty happy about that. Anyway, take care. Thank you again. See you soon. Cheers.